you tell I just had to hand dye the icing black for this video? Do we all remember in 2022 when everything had to be cake and the world was taken by storm and you could not take one step out of your house without thinking, oh shit, is something gonna be cake today? There was just so much cake everywhere that we were probably caked out for about 2 years. Well, I've been thinking about that and I've decided that I want to give it a go today because it can't be that hard. I have a great history of food videos going well for me.
Previously on my channel.
I'm taking a very slow, anxious bite.
Oh gosh, you're getting a house. Oh, fuck! So, I thought it would be a good idea to give it a go, and Marco has decided to join the video. People keep making like watermelons or fruits, and I thought, you know what? I'm not an amateur. I've baked a cake or two in my life. I'm gonna try and turn one of my cats into cake. Now Marco, who I just had, I think is gonna be too difficult. So we are going to use this little baby. Hey Loki. And we're gonna try and see if we can turn this boy into cake. Okay, let's go. What is your opinion on becoming cake? Ah! Women want me. Food critics fear me. We are cooking on the kitchen floor. I only have a coffee table in my house. I'm not a fancy influencer, so we're making do, and every food critic and like health reviewer is quaking their boots that I am cooking on the floor right now. Now I'm feeling like a deluded amount of confidence in myself right now to make this a cat looking cake. Am I wrong to assume I can do it? Most probably. Because my history of food videos never turn out the way I plan. Today could be the opposite. So let's hope that. We're going to start off by making the boy's body out of these mega loaves. I'm sitting down because I've decided a cat standing up is too difficult, and like, you know, we're good, but we're not an expert. Like, we gotta humble ourselves a little bit. And we're going to be using just like white fondant icing that I'm attempting desperately to dye black for the fur, not skin, that would sound really weird, the fur. And I'm going to be gluing it all together with this chocolate fudge icing. Look, I have not baked a big proper cake. I've made Victoria sponges and fairy cakes and I enjoy baking a lot, but I haven't really looked at a recipe or actually watched anyone try and do this. I have been on a really big Try Guys binge, and if I've learned anything from them trying to bake stuff, it is smother the outside with the icing to glue shit together and then put like the rolling icing on top of that. I'm bribing him with a treat so we can get a load of the size of how big he's going to be. I vote we just get into it. I'm a bit worried because I kind of have no idea what I'm doing. Do I ever have any idea what I'm doing though? That's the thing. Is there ever any point in life where I actually am like, yeah, this is what I'm doing right now? Oh, it smells really good. One of my worst pet peeves is like when I see someone waste cake, genuinely. So I'm gonna be kind of upset if I do ruin this because I'm not a waster. I do not want cake to be wasted. Let's get this loaf out. I could do him as a loaf. Hang on. This could make like the body, and then we could cut out the head and turn him into a loaf cat. Or should I try and do him sitting up? But as it's a mega loaf, I feel like I'm gonna go with the loaf narrative. If we're gonna make the cat loaf, we're gonna... Oh my god, I'm actually so scared. I don't know, I'm gonna be sweating and shaking and crying. Let's just go for him laying down. Let's make like curved, so it's more shaped like, I don't know, legs. Please don't look at how I literally, like, what's her name? Kylie Jenner hold a knife and cut stuff.
Has Chris calling for help?
Be careful, because I nicked myself the other day.
I don't know, I'm kind of scared.
There you go.
I can't help it. I can't help it. And let's give him some round back bump. Oh fuck, he's got no ass. Going devastatingly already. I've cut too much off. That could be the front. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. I can work with this. Right, this is gonna be the front. Like his arms, and this is gonna be his bum, and he's gonna be loafed like a little bread. Now, when they loaf, I always say they look like, kind of like a roast chicken. So, yeah, that's like the vibe. I'm so sorry to the person who bakes these personal loaves. If you watch this and you work for the Yorkshire Baking Company, please turn this video off right now because I am butchering all your hard work. Let's just cut a chunk of this big loaf off and mold this into a head. Agree with me, validate me, it sounds right, doesn't it? I'm just realizing I don't know what a cat looks like. And I put two in my house. Maybe I cut like a little indent for the ears. No, what am I kidding? I said this was easy. That was my ring light. I am currently realizing this has no neck. Maybe I can fix him. Maybe I can fix him. I think this isn't working. I think icing is gonna fix this. If in doubt, smother it with icing because icing fixes everything. It's like glue. It holds the world together. Okay, so how do I do this? Me asking you as if you can respond right now. Like, yeah, so how are we doing this? This was your idea, wasn't it? It'd never be my idea. I'd never think of this. Is it looking like a cat? Is it looking like him? No, not yet. After a short intermission, we have this. See, like, it's a shape, I'm an artist and I have a vision, okay? I don't know if it's an accurate size anymore and I'm not willing to find out. So, yeah, I'm an artist with a vision, and it's 2024 now, okay? It's January 2024. I am allowed to be whatever I want to be, and today I choose to be a cake decorator. Was that correct decision? Is it my calling in life? Is it my calling in life? Oh shit, no. Maybe not right now, but you know, I'd never know unless I tried. So now let's smother this in icing because I am under the impression that we need icing, right? I wish I could use a knife and fork as well, that'd be really helpful, to glue this icing to it. I'm just so good at this. Like, honestly, I'm gonna try and do the face so you can see me do it, but I'm also worried. Let's say it's not very structurally sound. Maybe I should have done an engineering degree before trying this because if you've got IKEA furniture, I'll fix it. I will follow those instructions and I will make you the best goddamn IKEA sofa or bed. I will put together the best thing you have ever seen in your life. If I have no instructions, this is what happens. Well, I think that's enough of that. Is it accurate? Size-wise, I think I'm definitely off. But you know, we have room to improve. This isn't a joke. I literally was like applied for. No, my hoodie. I literally applied for a cake decorator job. and I didn't get an interview, and you know what? I understand why now. I can do this bit. Just take a white icing and just splodge some black in there. Right, I'm gonna leave that temporarily. I think this is yellow as it's gonna get. I think that looks pretty good. Do I need to wash my hands, or do you think the black will counteract the yellow? I guess there's one way of finding out. Yes, satisfying. So good at this. I may not look like I'm having fun, but I'm having a lot of fun right now. Icing is so weird. I think the colour is mostly sticking to my hands. The one I made earlier. I wonder if I mix this around if it'll look a bit more black now. Now we need to roll our icing. I love how I'm like suddenly decided that there's steps to this. Like I've just been winging it, and now I'm like, now we need to roll our icing as if I know what, as if I have a plan. I promise I have a plan. I really do have a plan. How's it going? It's going good. It's going great. I'm fine. This is going well. I am very proud of myself right now. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay? I'm sure at this point in the video, you're not surprised that I don't own a rolling pin right now. So we're gonna roll. You sit there. We're gonna roll this with a cup and just pray that it works. Oh, I think it's working. Oh my god, it looks really cool. I mean, it does not look like how a cat is supposed to look, but how is this cat supposed to look? They can look however they want. It might actually end up looking more like Marco. I think I'm making Marco right now. Oh my god, wait, change of plan. It's Marco, it's not Loki. But I've just, like, accidentally made the harder cat. Like, tell me, can you see him? Tell me it's not him, because it is. Oh my god, we're saved, we're saved. I'm saved. There we go. Look at the texture of this. Why am I just flapping around? Woo! Look. This is good. Tell me it's good. Tell me it's good. It's good. Tell me it's good. I don't know what that's from. That's from a show. It was stuck in. I just, you know. It's him! Okay. I'm suddenly excited again. Sometimes plans change, and sometimes they change for the better, you know? And I think this is for the better. We're making the better cat. Well, I just pit my cats. I just pit them against each other, like, for a video, for this video. Whoever I make will be my favourite child, and if it turns out ugly, then I'll hate them. That is honestly a joke. I love both of them. I'm going to try use the technical technique of slapping it on there and seeing what happens. Yo! Is this kind of good? Is this looking kind of accurate? Look, I think this icing's gonna work. I think it's gonna work, you know. I'll be honest, I thought I was gonna be a lot better at this, but you know, we move. Let's see what we can do to fix this. It really may not look like it, but I am actually trying my best right now. I'm really trying hard. And I didn't expect him to look like this. I thought he was gonna be better. It's okay. Me when I realised I don't even know what my cat looks like, and he's left the room. Making two eyes identical, like most artists can't do it, so I don't know why I've assumed. I don't know why I've assumed I can do that in cake. Okay. This is him. Hang on, let's give him some details. Yes, King. Have those toes. Add those toes. Yes, Marco, this is exactly what he looks like. Don't gaslight me. Does this look like a cat? I'm gonna see if I can smooth him out and add some final details, and then I'll get back to you with his final look. Okay, I am going to walk around my house, and I'm going to I'm gonna put the camera on my cats, and you're gonna have to guess what one's real and what one's cake. Okay, are you ready for this? It's gonna be really hard, so in the comments vote either 1, 2 or 3 which one you think is real and which one you think is cake, okay? You've got number 1. Number 1, Loki. Are you real or are you cake? Is he real? Number 2, Marco. Is he real or cake? Oh, we've got number 3. Be honest. I think it's quite a hard decision. Did you make your guess? Let me know in the comments below. We're about to cut to me when I recorded this video, and I didn't realise the microphone was pressing up against my boobie, so the audio gets really bad. So please just bear with me for the last minute of the video. Yeah, to Amy a couple of days ago. I was being really hard on myself when I was making this. I think it could be worse. I think it's pretty good. It's got the colours, he's got his little tail. I'm gonna give myself realism is about a 2, but it's a 10 for effort. Oh, it's a 10 for effort. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe, all that. Like, just interact with the video so I know you enjoyed it. Let me know what you would like me to try next. As you can see, I'm pretty average at things, but that's the fun of it. Damn, I'm so sorry. The audio gets so crispy crunchy here and I don't know how to fix it, so I'm just gonna dub over it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Love you so much. See ya. Bye.
I'm trying to film a video. Boys, I'm trying to film a video. What are you doing?